warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See, yesterday I have given a little introduction about this, a broad introduction about the LMS. So LMS is basically a learning management system where we can fill the gap of sharing of resources from the school. Especially we are focusing on the school now, on this product. So sharing of the content from the teachers to the student, that was a big challenge during pandemic, how to conduct the class, which platform we have to use. Of course, they have used many platforms like Zoom as we are using now, and Microsoft Team they have used, and also Google Meet they have used. But the challenge is how to share the content, especially the teaching content, the teaching videos, the teaching material. So they are everybody is facing the problem. So in that scenario, we have just thought about this, and we have started working on this Moodle platform. So this is one of the best platform. We can say this is number 2 in the world ranking. This is a number 2 LMS, number two learning management system in terms of e-learning. So it has all the features. There are many features, like of course we as we move on, so we learn many things in this particular topic. So let us start focusing on what we have to do. Basically there are 3 to 4 things we are focusing here. So number 1, we need to prepare the content, a little bit content, the standard content for the schools. So the example, we include the textbook in their curriculum as per the curriculum, the CBSE, State Board, or IGCSE. And then possible the related videos, if you can link from YouTube, that also will do it, but that's not mandatory. Okay, and also we learn how we can learn this product in terms of management side, and as well as the teacher and the student. So there are 3 different authentications we need to focus on here. So as a manager, how we can manage the entire system for one complete organizations from the scratch till the end. What are the things we need to do? What are the things we need to focus? And once we give it to the school, any school, so any organization, so what exactly they have to do it as a manager, as a teacher, and this as a student. And this product is, one good thing is included with the mobile app. So it is free of cost. It is available on the iOS and also in the Android. So we can download that and we can easily use that. So as we move on, so definitely.
So the mobile app still 50 is valid, 50 free license, or they reduced?
Still 50 only, the same.
Okay, so more than 50, it is paid. You should keep in mind.
Paid in terms of if you're doing the notifications and all that. If you block the notification and all that, we can use it for free. So right now, more than 3,000 students are using in my setup. So absolutely no problem. So I can say more than 70% of the users are using in the mobile app. So maybe 30% are using in the laptop and tabs. Hope I'm clear. So let's see today. So I have shared the link in the chat box. So lms.cybermis.com/elearning. This is our URL. You can just see here. So once you go to the URL, this is our landing page where we are landing. So here, first thing to move on. So first thing we need to log in to see the details. So without the login, also we can see the details here. So just if you go to home, and you can see that. So it's not taking because I have restricted. So we can just log into their authentic user. So hope everybody got the user. If doesn't have the user, surely we will create and give you the user. So already we have told Zekwan to do that. So I'm logging in here as an admin power so that I can have the complete access. The same access will be given to all. So to explore the things and see that what exactly we have to do. So very first thing, so this is our landing page after login. So this is my dashboard. So here it will show you in the dashboard on the left corner, you can see the dashboard, the site home, calendar, private files, content bank, and site admin. So dashboard for the admin, so it's very plain, like you don't have much details here in the dashboard because there are so many things. It will not be placed for the admin. So if you want to see the detailing, what exactly the tree structure, the course, different courses we have. So we have to just click on a site home. So the moment you click on the site home, you can see the course categories. So we have created some standard categories. So just if you click on a collapse and expand, it will expand and collapse the content here. What you can see the tree structure. So here you can see that the cyber MIS, e-learning campus end user guidelines. This is one course category. Under this, we have created some student guidelines and same as the teacher guidelines. And under the cyber MIS, we have created some categories which covers the state board, CBSE board, and also we have created some of the categories like Zen Academy and Pune English School. So likewise, if you have 10 schools, so all the 10 schools, you can bring it here in a different categories. So once you talk about the particular school, we don't have the course categories. They have only one category on their own school. And as we are into development side, so I'm just focusing on, we are focusing on any one of the category here. So let me just show you how today we'll learn how to create the categories, this categories, how to reach to this categories. First thing, okay. So how we
I have given access to ICSE. You can start creating a structure there.
So now you can see that in the ICSC we have only class 6. Under the class 6, you can see that only maths we have. So similarly, we can create some more classes here like class
Structures.
KG 1, 2, 3, as on. Like we can do that. How we can do that? That's very simple stuff. So do anything. So first thing, to create the category, first thing we need to go to the site admin. So as an admin, it is showing the courses here. So once you click
No,
on
go to the site home because they, as a teacher, they will only go to the site.
yes.
Admin only Zakwan, you and me, so
Mhm.
they will not be seeing admin, so they'll get confused. So from site we can drive this. Okay.
So if it is a teacher, like you have two options here. If you have the teacher login or the manager login, you have two options here. The site admin will not be displayed for you. So there is a manage for a manager access. For the teacher, a turn editing on button will be there. Okay. So for the manager, yes, manager can create the courses. So you have all the teachers have manage access. So just click on a manage. Once you click on a manage, straight away it is coming to this page, the course page. It is landing to the course page. So you can see the landing page here. So just if you click on manage courses and categories, so straight away it will go to this page. If you click on a manage, straight away it is your page will be landing to this page. So now you can see here, hope it is visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now you can see here, whatever we have seen the category in the site home, the same categories you can see it here also. So everywhere you can see the plus symbol. Plus symbol, it means we can expand this. We have some more categories under that. Similarly, if I click on this, again, we have some categories. Again, under that also we have categories, and again, we have subcategories. So how this tree structure can be developed? So that's the first question. So creating of the courses. First thing, we need to create the courses. So where we need to create the course, so as suggested, we need to expand the IGCSE now. So already some of them we have already expanded. So if you just click here on the mass, we have already expanded class 1 to 10. The same way, in the same fashion, we want to do it for the IGCSE syllabus also. So how we can do that? Just click on this IGCSE syllabus. Okay, so you can just see that on the bottom, you can create the course under this. Our cursor, my cursor is on IGCSE now. Okay, so now I can create the subcategories under IGCSE. So how we can create the subcategories here? Like
Let's create a new category, class 5 or
yes,
1, and
class
then